Hello, today we will guide you through how to unblock contacts in Zoom. If you previously blocked someone in Zoom and now want to restore communication, the process is fairly quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact path inside the Zoom app so you can find the blocked contact and remove that restriction. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you're signed in to the correct account, since your contacts and blocked list are tied to that account. Once Zoom is open, look over to the left-hand navigation panel where you'll find the main sections of the app. From there, click on Contacts in the left navigation. This will take you to the area where Zoom organizes the people you can communicate with. If you have several categories listed here, don't worry, you just need to move into the section that contains external contacts. Next, click on External. This section usually includes contacts outside your internal organization or standard company directory. If the person you blocked is not part of your main contact list, this is often where you'll find them. Take a moment to scan the list if needed. Now select the blocked contact. In this example, the blocked contact appears in the list and can be opened directly. Clicking the contact will bring up more details and options for managing that person. If you have trouble finding them, it may help to look carefully through the visible names in the External Contacts section. Once the contact is selected, click the three-dot menu. This menu typically contains additional actions related to that contact, including privacy and contact management options. It's a commonplace in Zoom for actions that aren't shown as large buttons on the main screen. From the menu that appears, click Unblock. As soon as you do that, the contact will be removed from your blocked list and normal interaction can be restored, depending on your Zoom settings and whether the contact is still available in your network. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked a contact in Zoom. If you need to unblock more than one person, you can repeat the same process for each contact in the external section. It's also a good idea to double-check the contact's status afterward to make sure the change has been applied. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you manage your Zoom contacts more easily.